Hello, I'm Jessica with ResponseCRM, and today I'm going to explain how to use our new continuity report. With this new report, you can manage recurring subscriptions and move rebills to a future date in order to stay within your monthly merchant account limits. Okay, let's get started.
After logging into the CRM, navigate to the Report section under the main menu and click on Continuity. The Continuity report can filter by date range type, site, product, billing cycle, retries, processor, affiliate, and status. With the date range type, you choose one of three options: the next bill date, as in any customer whose next bill or rebill is within this date range selected. The cancel date will show any rebills who's canceled within that date range, either the whole customer account or all of their rebills. And the date created shows customers who have signed up within that time frame. If I click these options below, as in today, this month, and more, as in yesterday, the past week, past 2 weeks, past 30 days, and so on, it will search for the signups during that time period. So, for example, if I bought Garcinia pills today and my rebill is going to be 2 months from now, if you conduct a search using the date created and put in the time frame from my sign up, you will find me based off of my sign up date. Unless if I select the next bill date, then you would look for the projected bill date within the next 2 months. Another way to look at it is, instead of looking for rebills for customers who are going to be rebilled tomorrow, start looking for customers who are going to be billed a week ago from today. So basically, there are two ways of going about it. One way is to find all customers that have signed up on a particular date and move all of those rebills, or you can find customers that are being billed by a certain date, then move those rebills. So you can determine which options work best for you for your search. But the filters obviously help with fine-tuning your results, so make sure that you enter your chosen filters and then click search. And the customer records should auto-populate below. If you just scroll down, first you will see this very pretty chart of your customer results showing trial, canceled, active, retry billing, and retry failed. If you scroll down further, you will see the detailed customer list, and you want to click on Show Batch Updates if you're missing this second set of filters. Here you can select the processor, edit the amount being billed, edit the next bill date, the status, and retries. You can click Select All to update the entire list of customers shown, or just check the boxes next to the date and customer name in which you want to edit. From here, you choose what you want to update, like the billing amount or next bill date, and the status of the customer. And the status is like trial, active, complete, canceled, retry billing, and retry failed. So to make the changes go into effect, you select what you want to update and then click on Update Batch, and it should update the rebill in which you were trying to edit. So now we figured out how to update our customer rebills for the continuity report.
Thanks for watching our continuity report video. Don't forget to check out ResponseCRM's YouTube channel for more tutorials on how to use different tools within ResponseCRM. And please be sure to give us a like on our ResponseCRM Facebook page and follow us on Twitter. Thank you for watching.